naman po para makipagkamustahan tayo sa Hawaii kasama si the dynamic Miss Rose Chirma of the Philcom Center. Magandang hapon po, Miss Rose. Aloha.
Magandang hapon din, Janelle.
I'm very excited for what you're going to tell us today, and this is about the extension of the deadline for application submissions to your contest, Letters to My Parents. Tell us about that.
We have extended the deadline to November 8th, I'm sorry. So to give opportunity to others who may want to submit entries to our Letters to My Parents contest. So,
I hear na marami na pong mga nagsasubmit. What is the common theme? Meron po bang common theme ng mga submissions?
well, most of them are in English, but there's one in Tagalog. And there's one that's also had a poetry format within the letter. So that was very interesting. But in any case, all of them have been submitted online, which is required in our rules. It has to be submitted online or by email.
Is there a particular... I'm sorry, go ahead po.
Well, we're very excited about the entries that's been coming in because of the, it resonates with folks who have really truly appreciate what their parents have done for them.
Okay. So ito po bang Letters to My Parents, ang common theme is like gratitude to our parents, or meron po bang some questions, some dialogue with parents about, let's say, for example, generational gap?
Well, suggested topics na nandun sa yung aming flyer, it says how I can improve relationships within my family, what my parents or guardians mean to me, or what would I like to do for my parents or guardians, or how have my parents' experiences affected or shaped the person I am today.
Okay.
Actually, what we're trying to do is to foster these relationships within the family through this letter writing.
As we're talking about the themes, Ms. Rose, you mentioned a little bit about the mechanics earlier. So entries may be submitted in different languages, correct? Ano po yung mga in-accept niyong languages or dialects?
Well, all languages actually that's spoken in Hawaii, because, Hawaii is very diverse. So we have folks who speak in Ilocano at home, and there's folks who speak in the other Pacific Island, and the languages of the Pacific Islanders. So all of that is open, whether it's Chinese, Korean, or whatever, as long as if they do submit in another language, if they can submit a translation, because our judges may not be able to understand that language.
Correct. And judging is important because the winner gets $1,000 in cash. Ms. Rose, kailan po, you have an event, right, where you will be reading, or some of these entries will be read?
That's right. So every last Sunday of the month, we have a Philcom Sunday. Now, this one, all of the winning entries, or the first top 10 entries, will be read over at Philcom Sunday, which will be on November 24th, here at the Philcom Center. We will invite all of those who have written to read their letters, and of course invite their family and friends, particularly their parents, to attend.
What about criteria for judging? Are we looking for what? Originality, composition?
Well, it will be... it's something that I think the judges will have. It's something that resonates, I would think, with the mission, with the theme of the contest.
All right.
This is the first time we're doing it, so we're really very excited, to see all the entries, to get all the entries.
And thank you for doing this. This will, I'm sure, foster that open communication lines between kids and their parents, the youth, and then the parents as well. Why don't you invite our viewers once again, especially those in Hawaii? Unfortunately, in Southern California, you can't submit, cannot.
Yes.
But to those of you watching us on Kiku in Hawaii, ano po ang inyong imbitasyon, Ms. Rose?
Please visit our website or call us at 680 0451 to get more information about this. And also, I'd like to get this opportunity to thank our co-sponsors, Ryukai America and Sariling Gawa, which is a Hawaii group.
All right. Well, maraming salamat po, aloha, and good luck sa mga sasali dito sa contest na ito. More power to you, Ms. Rose.
Salamat din, Janelle.
That was Ms. Rose Chirma of the Philcom Center in Hawaii. Huwag niyo pong kaliligtaan. If you have friends and family in Hawaii as well, tell them that we are now there Monday to Friday, Kababayan Today at 3:30 p.m. on Kiku Channel 9. When we return on the show, SMM, don't go away.